Hello friends, welcome to Aircraft Technical. In the previous video, we had a discussion on function of magnetic fuel level indicator and how it works. In this video, we'll see the procedure for calculating fuel quantity with the help of magnetic fuel level indicator. So let's begin the video. To determine fuel quantity in the fuel tank, we need to have the information of fuel specific gravity, aircraft attitude, and magnetic level indicator reading. MLI Fuel Volume Chart. This chart is given in AMM, which shows the fuel quantity in volume. There is a different chart for the different MLIs. Always refer to correct chart for the respective MLI. To determine the fuel quantity as per this chart, we should have the information of aircraft attitude and magnetic level indicator reading. There are 3 steps for calculating fuel quantity with the help of magnetic fuel level indicator. Step 1. Determine fuel specific gravity. Step 2. Find out aircraft attitude. Step 3. Check the fuel content with MLI. Step 1. Determine fuel specific gravity. Drain the fuel and measure the fuel specific gravity with the help of tool as given in the AMM. Step 2. Find out aircraft attitude. Due to uneven surface of apron, fuel volume does not correct in the tank. Aircraft attitude data is very important for correctly measure the fuel quantity. There was direct reading aircraft attitude indicator in older aircraft. Now in the new aircraft, attitude indicator are eliminated and aircraft attitude data is provided by Air Data Inertia Reference Unit, that is ADRU. Procedure to find out equivalent number and letter for pitch and roll data. With the help of 2 methods, we can find out aircraft attitude data. First, with the use of alpha column feature, and second, fuel input parameter. From any of given procedure, we can find out aircraft pitch and roll data that will be some number. Use the aircraft pitch and roll data to find out equivalent number and letter as given in the table. As we find out, pitch data is plus 0.4 and roll data is minus 0.1. So according to the table, equivalent pitch data number is 5 and the roll data letter is D. Step 3. Check the fuel content with MLI reading. To check the fuel content with MLI reading, please follow the below procedure. Use a screwdriver to push the applicable MLI and turn it through 90 degrees. Hold and carefully lower the MLI fully. Then carefully lift the MLI until you feel the magnet engage. Read the unit mark nearest to the bottom skin of wing and write down the number. Retract the MLI and use the screwdriver to turn it through 90 degrees to lock it. Please note, only even number MLI units are listed in MLI chart. To calculate the volume of fuel for uneven number, interpolate between the nearest even number in the MLI chart. Let's have closer look in MLI chart to see what are the data given in this chart. Number 1 to 7 is pitch data. Letter B and F is roll data. Unit 2 to max is MLI number, and all this number is fuel volume. MLI procedure flowchart. When we do the fuel quantity check with MLI, please follow the flowchart and note the following points. When you start to check MLI reading, always start from the outboard side of wing. When you don't get MLI reading at outboard MLI, then check the next inboard side of MLI. Like as the procedure given in the flowchart, start with MLI number 4. If you don't get the reading at MLI number 4, move to check next inboard side MLI number 3. And if you get a reading at MLI number 3, then refer the applicable table, and this would be a inner cell fuel quantity. Apply the same procedure for outer cell and center tank. Measure the outer cell, inner cell and center tank fuel quantity. After calculation of all tank fuel quantity, sum up all tank fuel quantity and will get the total fuel quantity in volume. Multiply this total fuel quantity with fuel specific gravity and will get the total fuel in kilogram. Let's take an example to understand about discuss MLI procedure. Please consider the following values. Fuel specific gravity is 0.787, pitch data is 0.5 and the roll data is 1.0. As per aircraft attitude table, pitch data number is 3 and the roll data letter is F. Left wing tank MLI reading. MLI 5 reading is 10. MLI 4 reading is 16. Right wing tank MLI reading. MLI 5 reading is 8. MLI 4 reading is 14. Center tank MLI reading. MLI reading is 44. Left wing tank MLI chart. Calculate the left wing tank fuel volume as per MLI chart. MLI number 5 chart. Aircraft roll data is F and the pitch data is 3. MLI reading is 10. Outer cell fuel quantity is 850 liter. MLI number 4 chart. Aircraft roll data is F and the pitch data is 3. MLI reading is 16. Inner cell fuel quantity is 6600 liter. Right wing tank MLI chart. Calculate the right wing tank fuel volume as per the MLI chart. MLI number 5 chart. Aircraft roll data is F and the pitch data is 3. MLI reading is 8. Outer cell fuel quantity is 750 liter. MLI number 4 chart. Aircraft roll data is F and the pitch data is 3. MLI reading is 14. Inner cell fuel quantity is 6500 liter. Center tank MLI chart. Aircraft roll data is F and the pitch data is 3. MLI reading is 44. Center tank fuel quantity is 4350 liter. Fuel quantity in kilogram. Last step of MLI procedure is to calculate the fuel tank quantities. We have calculated all tank fuel quantity. Now sum up all fuel tank quantity. Total fuel quantity in volume is 19050. Multiply total fuel quantity in volume with the fuel specific gravity and the resultant fuel quantity will get in kilogram, and this will be a total fuel quantity on board of aircraft. Guys, Here our discussion in, and I hope we did enough discussion. If you still have any doubt, you can message your doubt any of our social media group given in the video description, or you can also comment here. We'll try to answer your doubt. Thanks for watching video.